Now let's see how to lay out the elements in Bootstrap. Okay, so Bootstrap follows 12 column layout, which means it will divide the entire row into 12 columns, and if we have 12 items, it is going to place one item in each column. Okay, so your code will look something like this. So you have to create a div, and you have to give the class container, which will act as the container, and inside the container there should be a row, and inside the row each element should be like column. Okay, so 3 divs are there only, but you are adding class container, class row and class column. Now this will act as the item in the Bootstrap. Okay, so inside the column, so it will look something like this. Now if you don't give anything, there is only one item, then that item is going to take the entire width of the container. Now if you give, let us say 1 2 3 4 5 6, if you give 6 items and if you don't specify anything, then what happens is all these 6 items will be equally distributed in such a way that they fill the entire width. So all the 6 items are equally distributed. If you give only 3 items, then all those 3 items will be equally distributed like this. Okay, so here in this case what has happened is the first item has taken 2 columns, second item has taken 2 columns, 2 columns, 2 columns, 2 columns and 2 columns, so totally 12 columns. But here in this case the first item has taken 4 columns, second item has taken 4 columns, third item has taken 4 columns. It will automatically span it. It will automatically give the sizes to the elements in such a way that the entire width, the entire 12 columns are actually filled up. Okay. Now, how do you decide the size of the container? So there are various devices that you are going to see the website on. Now depending on the size of the device, if it is a mobile or if it is a iPad or if it is a laptop, desktop or a TV, based on that your container is going to behave. Okay, the size of the container will be decided. For example, this table is available in a Bootstrap website. That I have taken that table screenshot of it. You can see that table on the Bootstrap website. Now if you give container SM, it means that on extra small devices, so extra small devices means maybe the flip phones are there, they have very less width, they are long but very less width. On that device the container will take 100% of the space, but on a small device, which means on a mobile, it will take 540 pixel. So these numbers are not important, don't by heart them, I'm just giving you all the breakpoints. So if you give container SM, it is going to take sizes like this. On a medium device it will take 750 pixel width, on a large device it will take 940. So what I mean to say is, if you have a device, how long is your container going to be? That depends on what kind of container it is. If you use the class container SM, container-SM, then it is going to behave like this. In a small device it is going to take 540 pixel, medium device 720 pixel, large device 960 pixel, extra large device 1140, extra large 1320 pixel. Now if you give container fluid, this is going to take 100% width on all the devices. If you give container XL, then it is going to take 100% width till medium size devices, large size devices, and on extra large it is going to take 1140, and on extra large it is going to take 1320. Okay, you don't have to remember this, but you have to understand that for every breakpoint the size is going to be different. Okay, we will see an example on that. And then you can also give the column sizes to the items inside the container. So for example, if you write the class call 2, it means for that item it will give 2 columns. And if you write call 4, then 4 columns are given to this item. And if you write call 6, then 6 columns are given to this item. And similarly, if you write call 10, then 10 columns will be given to that, which means you can also give the sizes. If you don't give the sizes, equal sizes will be given to all the items. If you give the sizes, then according to the size given, it will display it. Okay. But then we didn't specify on what screen size how to behave as of now. Okay, we will see that later. But if you write like this, it is going to be the same distribution in what you can say percentages. Like it will be 2 out of 12 depending on the size of the this device. 2 out of 10 size will be taken by the first one, 4 out of 12 size will be taken by the second one, and 6 out of 12 size will be taken by the third one. Okay. So this is how you can give them the column sizes. You just have to add a class like call 2, then automatically this element will get 2 out of 12. Call 4, call 6. Okay, so they will automatically get the sizes. And then there are breakpoints available. So what are the different breakpoints available are extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. We have just discussed. So basically small device means a mobile, and medium device means tablet like iPad, and large device means laptop, and extra large device means desktop, and extra large means your big screens, maybe TV or even bigger screens that you are going to display. Okay, I will show you why these breakpoints are important. For example, if you give like this, class is, for the first item, class is call SM2. What it means is, on small devices and above, it is going to get a size of 2 columns. Which means on small devices, mobile devices and above devices, the size is 2 columns. Okay, and below the mobile, if it is extra small, then it will grow to 100%. It will take the entire width and all the elements will come below it. This element, that element will come below it, and they will also take 100%. Okay, so that is the meaning of it. So what is the meaning of this one is, on a small device and above, which means mobile phone and above, size is going to be 4. It is going to take 4 columns, but below the small device, it is going to take 100%. We will see examples. The same applies here. Okay, I'll show you examples and I will shrink the window, and then you will understand how it really works. So whenever it is less than small, then automatically the item is going to take 100% of the width, even though you have mentioned here that it has to take only 2 columns, but that is applicable for only small devices and above. Below the small devices, it is going to take the 100% of the width, because the device is small and you want to see bigger font or whatever, so it is going to increase. You can also have multiple breakpoints. For example, if you write like this, the meaning of it is, on a large device, you are going to take 4 columns. That is why this is taking 4 columns. This is a large device. Okay, you are having all these 3 classes to the element. Okay, and then what is the meaning of it? This says that on a medium sized device, you are going to take 8 columns. So that is why it has taken 8 columns. And what is the meaning of this one? On a small device, you have to take 12 columns. 12 columns means 100%. That is why on a small device, the element has taken the entire width. Okay. And then you can also mix and match. So you can actually have different sizes like we have seen earlier. Okay, like 2, 4, 6, 2. Here you have given 2 and 4, and the third one we didn't give anything, just we have given column. Then in this case, what happens is, first one will take two columns, second one will take 4 columns, and the third one will take all the remaining size. The entire remaining size is taken by the third column. Okay. Now here in this case, what happens is, in the medium and above, 4 columns is going to be taken, and below medium, 6 columns is taken by this item. Okay, we will see examples now. So this is the first example. So here we have created 4 containers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containers are created, and don't worry about this border. This border is not from Bootstrap. We have written it so that we can give it some border and then it will be visible. Okay, so don't worry about these borders. Just see this container SM. So SM means small. So what have we discussed about small? So small and above, it will be 100. At small it will be 100%, and above that it will have some fixed sizes which we have discussed. And here medium is given. So it means that till medium it is going to be 100%, and above medium it is going to have fixed sizes that were discussed. So like that we have given small, medium, large, extra large and extra large. Let's run it and see. Let's open it in a browser and see. So now let's try to shrink it. So initially if you see that XXL is taking 100% when I decrease the size. So at XXL, when the size is XXL, then it is taking certain size, okay, that we have seen earlier. And now if I decrease the size of it, it is taking 100%. And then similarly, if we decrease it further, XL will take 100%. This is the break point where it has taken 100%. If I decrease it, LG, large, is going to take 100% at some point, yes. And then if I decrease it, if I go to medium size, then yes, here it has taken 100%. And small, if I go to the small size, it is going to take 100%, okay. So depending on the size of the screen, there are fixed sizes available. They are going to take those fixed sizes that I have discussed earlier. Let's go to the next example. Now here, column 6, column 3 and call 6, call 3 and call 3 are used. You know what happens with call 6, call 3 and call 3. First one will take 6, second one will take 3, third one will take 3. So if you observe it, now depending on the size of the screen, it will always take 6, 3 and 3. It is always taking 6, 3 and 3. You can see that, okay? And we are not able to decrease it beyond some size. And now if you observe it, they are not going to 100% below some break point. For that, you can use those SM, LG and all that. So if you observe here, we have written call XL6, call XL3, call XL3, which means XL and above it will take 6, XL and above it will take 3, XL and above it will take 3. But if I come below XL, then it will take 100%. Okay, now let's see that. So for the XL, it is taking 633, but if I go below XL, it will become 100%. All the 3 has become 100%, right? And even if you go down also, it will be 100% only, 100% of the total width. Okay, that is the meaning of that. Now here LG is given large 633. It means large and above they will take 633, and below large they will take, so don't worry about this border. So this border is just written so that some border is given to the items and some color is given to them so that div will be visible. You just see this. This is Bootstrap. This call LG6, call LG6, these are for Bootstrap. Okay, these classes are for Bootstrap. Now if you see call LG6, for large and above it will be 633. For large and above it will be 633, and when I go below large it will be 100%. So see that, yeah, here we have gone below large. Just when we go below large it is becoming 100%, and if I even go down it will be 100% only. Okay. So again the same thing for medium. So 633 is given for call medium, call medium, call medium. Now again the same thing will happen. For medium and above it will be 633, and below medium it will be full length. Below medium it is 100%, right? Now for small also we have done the same. Small 633, small and above it will be 633, and below small it will be 100%. Till we go to small it will be 633 only, but here we have hit the small screen. Now when I have hit the small screen it is becoming 100%, right? Now you can have a combination. So we are saying that call medium 4, call medium 4, call medium 4, which means in a medium screen and above it is going to be 4, but below that we are saying 6. Call 6, call 6, call 6. Below that call 6 is going to be applied. So see that 4, 4, 4 are applied till medium, and if I go below medium then you can see that first one has taken 6, second one has taken 6, and for the third one there is no space, so it is going to the next line but it is taking 6 only. Okay, it is also taking 6. Okay, thank you.